Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel, Soul Seed Tarot. Hope you all are doing well, happy, and healthy. Today I'm posting a little bit late because I went outside. I went to a temple for some puja. Let's do a reading for Virgo today. We'll cover your current energies, your current situation, what is going on in your life right now, any hidden truth or reality that is you are not seeing right now, and we'll also get some advice and suggestions for you. Please keep in mind these are going to be general readings. All the messages may or may not resonate with you. Please keep the ones that resonate and leave the rest. With that, Virgo, let's see. We have a 3 of Wands in reverse, 8 of Wands in reverse, and a 9 of Wands. Okay, I sense you are tired and exhausted of either waiting for something or fighting against of something. Either it is because of delay that you have to wait for a long time to get some growth opportunities, to see some results or so like that. So that could be one issue, or it could be that you are tired of fighting for your rights or fighting for what you deserve. Maybe like you're giving exams, some assessments, you're tired of giving those. Like if you're appearing for interviews, you're tired of appearing for interviews without seeing any achievement, without seeing any milestones, or maybe you're just missing out on some opportunities. Okay, that is the current situation right now. But what you don't see, Virgo, we have a 9 of Wands. Though you are tired and exhausted, still you don't see that you have come a long way in this fight. Okay, you are halfway through the battle. If you are planning, or if you are thinking to pull back, or maybe don't not try in this field anymore, it is the situation, Virgo, that you are halfway through it. You're not very close, you're not at the beginning yet also. So if you wish to stay in this place, as you have come a long way, you can stay here. You can try more, try another time for you to get your achievements. Okay, I sense, Virgo, there is a test of faith. I would say that is what universe is carrying out for you. There is a test of faith. How much faith and patience you can have, how much faith in God or universe or whatever you believe in. Clarifying further, we have the Judgment in reverse, we have a 4 of Swords, we have a Page of Cups. Okay, Virgo, as you're not seeing the results yet, as you're not seeing yourself achieving your milestones, you are somehow doubting yourself if you are skillful enough or not, if you really deserve it or not. Okay, you're doubting yourself a lot. Your self-confidence is getting lower. Okay, that is what your current situation is. You need to do some self-refreshment. Okay, you need a break. You need a break from all these cluttered thoughts. You need a different perspective, how you see the situation. And once you get the perspective from a different angle, you see it from a different angle, then you will get some idea, some creativity will come into your mind. Maybe a light bulb will go switch on, like, okay, here's an idea how to fix it or how to get your desired goals. Okay, I would say, Virgo, whatever you desire, you should stick to this. We have a Chariot and a 8 of Cups in reverse for you. So I would say you're going on the right path, Virgo. 7 of Cups in reverse, 10 of cups in reverse. So you had a situation and you had to took some decision. You took a decision to stick to this path, whichever you are on right now. Okay, it could be your financial situation or your family love, like anything. Okay, so you chose to stick to this. Now as well, there could be other opportunities. Now that you're not seeing the results, now there could be other opportunities where those opportunities could seem more lucrative. The You may think that the grass is greener on the other side, but not every glitter is gold, Virgo. Okay, you have to keep that in mind before jumping into something else. Like, you are in this journey, if you are not interested to try it anymore, then if you are trying to jump into some other thing, think twice and do a background verification, do a proper analysis of what you are going into, what you are putting your energies into. Okay, that you have to be very careful about, because that can give you a emotional turmoil. Okay, that can give you an emotional turmoil, and you may have to regret in future if you don't analyze it properly before jumping into a different situation. But anyways, Virgo, I sense you have come a long way, and if you try it from a different angle, give it some more thought, try to handle it more creatively, then you will be able to get your desired goal. You will be able to achieve this. But it is up to you, Virgo, that if you are having other opportunities as well, you are willing to stay here or move forward with this journey. The choice is finally yours, Virgo. But if I were you, I would be cautious before jumping into another situation. And as I have already given a lot of energy to this, I would keep on trying to get my goals. Okay, maybe in your situation you don't see where you are right now. Okay, as we have a nine of wands here, you don't see it, but you have come a long way. Okay, so also an advice, don't let your self doubt drag you down. Okay, and that's all I had for you, Virgo. If it resonated, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please tell your friends and family as well to subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.